Today we'll do another example of geometric series. Suppose you have something like 5 minus 10 thirds plus 20 over 9 minus 40 over 27 plus dot dot dot. So one thing that we need to be familiar with is we will not always have the summation notation given to us on a platter. We sometimes have to find the pattern. Okay, so let's find the pattern, what's happening. So first of all, we have plus, minus, or minus, plus, minus, plus. That means it's an alternating series. So if you're writing this in series form, sum n equals 0 to infinity, we'll start with negative 1 to the n power. When n is 0, that's even, so that will be positive sign. We're good there. And then, what do we notice? How do we go from 5 to negative 10 thirds? Well, we multiply by negative 2 thirds. Then we multiply by another negative 2 thirds. So actually, instead of multiplying by negative 1 to the n, we can multiply by negative 2 over 3 to the n power. Now, when n equals 0, we will get 1, but our first term is 5. So our a term, right, so geometric series is given by n equals 1 to infinity of ar to the n minus 1, which is a plus ar squared plus dot dot dot. In our case, a is always going to be the first term, so a is equal to 4. So this is our series. And now we can perform the geometric series test. So what is r? R is equal to negative 2 thirds. Well, what does that mean? Well, how does that help us? Absolute value of r is the absolute value of negative 2 thirds, which is 2 thirds. And since 2 thirds is strictly less than 1, we can say, that's the therefore sign. Rewrite that. The series converges by the geometric series test. Are we done? Sort of, but because it converges, geometric series is one of those special series where we can actually find the sum. So find where this summation adds up to. Well, s is equal to a over 1 minus r. A is the first term, that's your 5. And your r is negative 2 thirds. Now let's plug and chug. We get 5 over 1 minus a negative 2 thirds, which is 5 over, another way to write 1 is 3 over 3. Negative is a positive. 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 5 over 3. Dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So the sum is equal to 3. So not only can we say the series converges, we can say the series converges to 3 by geometric series test. And that's it from us. Thank you.